I am doing a legal entity, primary ledger, and everything I will do. Similarly, it will be, suppose my business name will be Tata. Okay. Suppose your business name is Tesla and one business McDonald's. Okay. So I will do that. Tesla will set it up by Philips and McDonald's will be set it up by Davis. Okay. So now I am going to each of everything. So first, to create this multi-org structure, we need to do step 1, create responsibility. And what are the responsibility for each or every module like GL? We have already told about the GL and everything, right? All the modules. So GL, inventory. So first we will create those two right now. Then OM, then PO. Okay. So do you know how to create the responsibility? Do you know how to create the responsibility? This is the operation. Here you can give the sys admin percentage. Then find. You can go for the second one, and this is the sys admin. And now you will need to go for security, then responsibility, and then define. Now you can do the F11 view query, enter, you will go to GL percentage, view, run. Right. So we will show you how to create a responsibility and all. This is the button we called is as navigator. Okay, this black icon. Okay. So we can switch the responsibility by using this. Okay. So here I am typing as general GL. First, see how I am doing. Then you can do by, we can use this one. General Ledger Vision Operation USA. Okay. You can take all those things. So now let me tell about one thing. If I click on this double plus, okay, I just click, you can see everything is now expand, right? So it has input with run and correct, defined as allocation and recurring. If you scroll down, so each and so suppose if I click here mass budget, okay, so it is the form, one form. Now this mass budget is one form, formula is one form. So those two form is grouped under the generate. So generate is called as a menu. Clear? So generate is a, we can call this as a sub menu, right? So if you collapse that by clicking double minus, so it will show you This is a submenu journal. This is a submenu of budget and so on, right? So each and every responsibility having all those menus, sub-menus, and all the sub-menu is grouped under a menu. Clear? Clear up to that? So we can see what is the sub-menu. So here I am creating a responsibility. So in the responsibility, we are talking about sub-menu, and then from the sub-menu to menu, right? Okay. Right? So sub-menu to menu, right? And this we are talking about GL, our GL responsibility. So GL responsibility name is, what is the name? Name is General Ledger, Vision Operation USA. General Ledger. Name is General Ledger, Vision Operation US, right? So this is sub menu. So now you are aware of what is sub menu and what is menu, right? Up to that clear? So now I am copy this of responsibility name. I want to know what is the menu name of this corresponding responsibility. Okay. So I go to the vision operation and go to the sysadmin. Go to the navigator, sysadmin, percentage, find system administrator. Okay. Now go to security, responsibility, and define. I am querying with view, query by example, enter. What is the value? This one, right? I am putting a fraction of things, right? Now view, query by run. This is vision, down arrow. You can see this is the responsible name, right? We are checking, right? So here okay. You can see, here, could you see this part menu? So GL super user, it is the menu name, right? So I put it here. So menu name is this one. This is the responsibility name, and this is the menu name. Menu name is this one, right? GL super user. GL super user. It is not copy. Okay, we can type it as GL super user, and all are caps, right? And underscore. So GL super user. Okay, cool. Now, one more thing. Here you can see a request group. Can you see that? Just note it down. What is the request group name? I will come to you once again regarding this request group. So do you heard about the concurrent request? Anytime you run the concurrent?
No, I don't know
Oh,
about that.
oh, okay. So we will see what is that. Okay. So we will check that also. So GL concurrent program group. GL concurrent. Up to that, I am just copying the existing one, right? Now, so this is the request group. This is the request group. It is the important one, and one is menu name, menu, right? And this is sub menu, and this is the responsibility, right? So let me paste it here. Let me paste it here. Okay. So we are good now. So this is the menu. This is the request group for the responsibility. This one. Let me mark this at 2. Now, if I tell you, you can see there is a available form. Can you see that available form? Here there are 3 options. One is Oracle application, one is the Oracle self-service web application, and one is the Oracle mobile application. So, Phillips, you are in the warehouse, right? So, I hope you see one gun or one RF device, right? Where the barcode get scanned, or one mobile device where the warehouse people go to sub-inventory locator and scan the barcode and pick the item from the sub-inventory locator, right? Hello?
Okay.
Right. So when we need to create a responsibility which can be used in the WMS, then we need to create an Oracle mobile application, this button. But if we want to create any responsibility which can be used in this front-end instance, it will be the Oracle application. Clear? And this is the Oracle self-service web application, means it is used for the integration purpose, right? So Oracle self-service, there is a API where we can integrate and create the web page, right? So that is the use of this. Now come to that data group. So this is the standard and this is the application name, right? Now coming to the effective date. So we can create a responsibility and define the date range, the form date and the to date, right? So I am creating one ledger here. Okay. So just create the plus button. This is the new button. I am adding that. So in our lecture, we are defined that we will do Tata as Tata company. I will do Tesla will do, and McDonald's Travis will do, right? So Tata, when I do the Tata setup or Tata company setup, so we need to create the step 1 is the responsibility creation, right? Responsibility creation, right? So in this responsibility, how many responsibilities we will decide to create? 4. One is GL, one is inventory, one is order management, one is procurement, right? Now I am doing the GL first, right? So in this GL, I go how to create the responsibility. I am showing you that I take a responsibility existing one, take the menu name and the request group, and now I am going to create our new responsibility. Do you, can you connect the dot? I am writing is as Tata GL. Tata GL. super user. You tell me what will be the application? It should be the general ledger, right?
Mhm.
Because we are doing for general ledger right now. Now, what is the application key? So each of every form, it is the form. It is nothing but the Java form. So each and every Java form, those data will store in a backend table. Okay. So what is the table name? We can show you that also. So there is a responsibility key. So I am taking the same thing here. Tata GL super user. And here I am putting the same responsibility data. Here it will be the standard and it will be the general ledger, right? Now, what was the menu name? Can anyone recall?
Nope.
GL super user, right?
Yes.
We have already taken, na? We have already take that super user, and that is the GL concurrent program group. So this is the here. Right? So
Okay.
now I would like to attach this responsibility with the user. So what is our username? What is our username?
Tara.
That is the operations, right?
Okay.
Operations,
Okay. Okay.
right? So
Right.
now if I query and query by example, and then you can see this is our user, right? So I would add the responsibility. So I create the responsibility. Now add it with this user, right? So click here and add. So now I am putting Tata, this one. You can check, it will auto come as Tata GL super user. And now I am saved it. Once I would save, so transaction completed, one record applied and saved. Do you get my point? I told you each and every form has a table in the backend. So if you go to help and check the record history, you can see the table name. You can see here the table name. Do you get my point? So this is the table name where all the data is get stored. And this is the update date and who is doing this update by this user operation. Clear?